I'm Molly, and you're here with the NMC Exteriors team. We're doing a full roof replacement today, which was based on insurance. So the client called in based on the storm that came through this area. The storm included high winds and heavy hail that damaged the shingles. The client called in, which sent us out for an appointment to do a thorough inspection with photos that we reviewed with the client. Based on these, we determined that the client should file an insurance claim. Through that process, we met with the adjuster, got the necessary paperwork to be able to do the roof replacement on the pole barn and the house. The client chose black Sable. So here is the actual shingles that we're installing on the roof today. So it's black Sable, Owens Corning duration, and it has the SureNail Technology. It offers you triple protection. The triple layer of reinforcement occurs when the fabric overlays the two shingles, which is creating this common bond, as you can see here. The common bond provides the increased protection against the nail pull from the wind, with its powerful adhesive and outstanding grip for exceptional wind resistance. If you want to know if hail or wind has impacted your home, visit our website, nmcexteriors.com, and check out our weather tool. It can give you data on any damage that was onto the property, such as wind or hail. Whether it's current damage or whether it's been within the last 2 years. In Minnesota, you have 2 years to file a claim with your insurance company. Thank you for choosing NMC Exteriors. Most of our business comes from our past clients and referrals. We are proud to be a part of the community, and it is our privilege to serve you. Thanks again.